Hello, good morning, ka-nature lover. I'm your host, sandara Roon. Yes, ka-nature lover, I just want to try to show you another variety of endangered species. So, I have many endangered species here in the Philippines and all over the world. So, this day I have to present to you my new variety of this kind of plants. So, let's go. I want to show you. So these plants I have a presentation to you because it is a very unique and is living for the peak of the mountain area of the Philippines. So that's why this plant is a very endangered because if you can see this, it's a very uh, long vines and it is look for very very rare, and this is living for the islands of Romblon. So these plants is I show you this plant, it is called is vanilla orchid. Yes, and this is scientific name is Costus woodsonii. Genus is Costus. The family Costaceae. Common name is vanilla orchids. The vanilla orchids form a flowering plant genus of about 110 species and the orchid family. The most widely known member is the flat-leaf vanilla, native to Mexico and Belize, from which commercial vanilla flavoring is derived. It has a yellow flowering of vanilla orchids. Yes, can you see these leaves is very thick? And then this vanilla orchid, it is climbing on the tree. Can you see this? This is a fine plant. So it is endangered. Can you see this? So let's go for the second endangered plant. This is another variety of endangered species I had to present to you. This is a kind of fern. Yes, this is a fern. Scientific name is Hemonitis arifolia. A genus name is Hemonitis, the family of Dipterodaceae. The tongue fern, Hemonitis arifolia, also known as the heart, or the heart leaf fern, is a plant that stands out among other ferns. In fact, it begins a resemblance among the other ferns. It bears a little resemblance to a conventional fern at all. Its leaves are a dark green frond that resemble a heart or a thank. Those the popular name. They often grow to be 2 to 3 inches long when foliage develop. Yes, can you see this kind of endangered plant, or other called is short or dwarf tongue fern, because can you see this plant is a very unique and rare. So it has continuations like this. So can you see this is another continuations or antenna of this plant. So this leaves is very unique some other fern, and beside it is a maiden hair. Many endangered species here in the Philippines. So I'm very sorry if I am wrong grammar and then my speaking is not good. To all my viewers, so let's go for another variety of endangered species. Let's go for another endangered species. So I have present to you at the back. So let's find it. What is this? Yeah, let's go. Can you see these plants? Yes, this is endangered species. And you know this is a kind of fern. This name is scientific name is Spirotheris coffera, genus from Spirotheris, family Cyatheaceae. Or it is the native to Australia. The Spirotheris coffera is herbaceous perennial that is commonly called the Australian tree fern. In its native habitat, this tree fern can measure up to 25 feet tall or a greater. It boasts a hair-like scaly trunk and abundant lacy feathery, bright green fronds. This tropical fern truly adds an exotic touch to any landscape, garden, or home. So can you see this? So it's a very beautiful endangered fern. So can you see this? Oh, it's a very unique some other fern in the Philippines only. Can you see this? Another variety of endangered species? Yes, this is a kind of red cane, or common name is red cane and scarlet spiral ginger. This plant scientific name is Costus wadsoni, genus Costus, family of Costaceae. Costus wadsoni is a herbaceous perennial rhizome native to Central America. This flowering ginger includes at least 52 genera and over 1,300 species. It is commonly known as the red button ginger for the vibrant ruby, red spiky cones that sprout among the shiny green foliage. These cones later produce bright yellow-orange blooms in the summer. So can you see this plant is a very unique, also some other plant. So this is a herbaceous. It can help to maintain a balance like drink these leaves to cure your diabetes or insulin. Other term is insulin plant. So can you see this plant? This is a very unique. Only here in the Philippines. So before anything else, please subscribe and hit all notification bell for all updates for my new video every day. Thank you for watching.